In Chart Talk this morning, trader Andrew Keene, he's president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com, and he joins us to talk about the Consumer Electronics Show. Good to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me on.
Now, you watch it for two reasons. You want to see what gadgets are coming out, and you want to know what stocks to buy. So what stock are you watching here, Andrew?
I actually just go to see what gadgets are coming out. I love gadgets. I love technology. The one stock I'm looking at is Nuance Communications, NUAN. The stock is currently trading $23. Looks pretty strong. It's trading above all the moving averages, the 50, the 100, the 150, and the 200-day moving average. I'm looking to buy it at $23 with a stop under $21.50. It seems like there should be some support there. I think it can get up to $25.50. What do? They do voice communication. They're in the iPhone. They do Series for the iPhone, but they also do it for car automotives, and they also do it for the living room. 7 of the 10 biggest car makers are going to be at the CES, which is a little bit surprising, but we've seen an uptick in Ford and GM sales. If Nuance can get a deal with Ford or GM, that would be huge for their company. You
see a big boost from this show happening now for Nuance, or do you see it coming down the line? Is it a buy and a hold, or just kind of a trade here for you?
It's a trade for me. You know, I look at the chart. It looks strong for it. You know, a setup to the long side. I have a nice tight stop about $1.50 lower. I'm target at least $2.50 for the upside, so that's a good risk versus reward setup from my point of view. Are they going to get a deal? Probably not, but they did just partner with Intel, and they're going to be in the Ultra books as well. So it looks like this company's hitting on all the right cylinders. You know, Apple has its earnings coming out. Apple looks a little bit weak, but with Nuance looking strong, Apple looking weak, that's even more positive because it shows that Nuance isn't just an Apple company. It's a company for other companies as well. With all the voice integration in the future, I think this is a great trade. I'm looking to put this on. I do not have it on just yet, but I'm going to have a tight stop at 21.5 because the stock is volatile, is a pretty high beta.
Typically, how does Apple do during the Consumer Electronics Show? Because they don't really show products.
They're not there. They have their own pony. They're on their own pony
Dog
show.
And
so
pony
everybody
show.
goes.
Yeah, absolutely.
They used to be part of the CES, actually.
They did.
And then they broke off. They said, we're Apple. We don't have to be there anymore. So it's all the gadgets besides Apple. You know, Apple has their own show. So, you know, the stock around CES, I haven't done any, you know, back testing to see how the stock does around CES. I'm guessing it's pretty much, you know, a crapshoot if the stock goes up or down. The stock has looked very weak this year. It's already down 6% year to date. But when they come out with their stuff, it should be iPhone 6 in 2013 and the iPhone, the Mac TV.
Good to have you on the show. That's Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com.
Thank you.